Hi guys, it's your girl Janet. Welcome back to my channel. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Me and my girl Nettie is at my cousin's funeral. She accompanied me because I need some support. Hey, good friend better than pocket money. Hey.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Hi guys, just got in from work and I've got some bargains. I've got a Ninja 3.8 liter air fryer that I'm gonna unbox. This is not sponsored. I bought it all by myself for a fraction of the price. And I got a Christmas wreath from Primark where I'm gonna change my table decor. That's a sneaky peek when I show you change my table. Then you can have a look. I'm gonna unbox my air fryer in a minute. So let me unbox my air fryer. I wanted one so long, but my friend got me one. Well, she used her discount and she spotted in the shop, and I'm so grateful. I've got to read the instructions. Ta-da! I don't even know how to open it. Got it. Anyway, that is my trusty. This is the air fryer. Remember, set up in the kitchen. I bought this. Why? I thought I wouldn't get one, but trust me, it's so convenient. I used it the other day, and oh my god, dinner was so quick. On the side, it's got the instructions, the time of cooking, and it's got all the buttons. You open it like that, food in there, bam, time, and dinner, it was ready. I love it. It is so quick and easy, and I recommend it. Everyone should have one. I got this straw as well from Primark. It was reduced to £10 from 18, and I got some eyelashes from a corner shop. These are custom your look. It's like clusters. My neighbor is gonna do this for me because I need to go somewhere. I got this volume eyelashes. I can do this myself, and I use hair glue. Who does this? Who use hair glue as well? Because the eyelash glue doesn't do much. It doesn't do much, so this does the job.
Never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. what did happen to the last 10? I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. One day I'll be yours. One day I'll be yours. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life changes just open the door. One thing's certain, I'll always be yours.